In this video, we will show you how to log in to your printer. First, open your preferred web browser. Next, enter the printer's IP address in the address bar and press Enter. This will open the printer's login page. The Trays page provides an overview of the printer's paper supply status. Here you can see the available trays, paper levels, paper size, paper type, and tray priority. The Consumables page provides real-time information about the printer's replaceable components, including toner cartridges, waste toner containers, and drum cartridges. This page helps administrators monitor supply levels and plan replacements before printing is effected. Regularly checking this page helps ensure uninterrupted printing and allows supplies to be replaced before they run out. The Total Runtime page provides statistics about how long different printer components have been operating. This information is useful for monitoring printer usage, troubleshooting issues, and planning preventive maintenance. The General page provides a quick overview of the printer's current status. Here you can view the printer model, IP address, and operating status. Thank you for watching this printer management tutorial. We hope this guide has helped you learn how to access the printer web interface and monitor printer status, paper trays, consumables, and runtime information. Thank you for your attention and support.